Tucked away behind the housing blocks of Port Sunlight stands a historic fire engine station, a building with a fascinating past. Built in 1902 and designed by William and Sagar Owen, this structure was originally used as stables. In 1906 it was converted into a fire station serving the village alongside another station inside the factory. At first it housed horse-drawn fire engines, but by 1914 motorised vehicles took over. Both stations remained active until 1957 when a new fire station was built to serve the area. Stay tuned to Heritage Man as we uncover more stories of Port Sunlight.